I think personally what I feel, without education, there is no scope. Because with education, what happens is children begin to learn the real way what the value of life is and how we learn to learn easily. Its education is not just a rote learning. It is about understanding what is fundamental, and that fundamental things they learn during the school years, during the graduate, postgraduate years, is going to give the student a positive support dealing with the reality of life, because life is tough. It's a global economy, lot of competition. If we want our students in India to succeed, they need to have good education and also good value system, because without value, that education loses the complete meaning. So that will be my take on it. So it's very important for our society and in general everywhere in the world that we need to educate the youngsters, give them the best opportunities so they can compete globally. So before coming, I'd been on the internet looking at the Sai International School. It has been one of the very refreshing thing to see that right from inception in 2008, you have the right focus. So as Principal Sir mentioned about the soft skills and a real focus on creating the holistic view of the entire person coming through the school K through 12, I think that's a commendable. And I wish many other educational institutes can take a page from what you are doing here at Sai International School, try to duplicate, because as we know, there is not enough time in the world to reinvent the wheel. If somebody is doing good things, why not borrow it, say thank you. So my impression is very, very positive. And I can tell you that I've seen different types of schools. This is one of the very, very positive experience. So I'm very delighted to be here. Well, basically, keep doing what you are doing and then look around who else in the world is doing few things which are better than what you are doing. So keep an open mind, and later this afternoon we'll be discussing some opportunity to use the Baldrige, US Baldrige Performance Excellence Criteria in Education, which is a self-assessment tool which can propel Sai International School and the Commerce College to the next level by doing the assessment. So we'll be discussing some of those ideas this afternoon with the faculty.